Okay, so I'm going to go over each of these questions for review lesson 5 for percentages. So how I got the answers so that hopefully this helps. So number 1, it says the cost of Jackie's gym membership is $20 per month. Jackie gets a 10% discount, so we know that's a discount, of the monthly cost in any member or in any month in which she refers a friend who also becomes a member. Part A is how much does Jackie save in a month when one of her friends joins a gym. So that means we need to find the amount of discount. So to do that, you always find your percentage. So we have 10%. You make it into a decimal. To make a percentage to a decimal, you divide by 100. 10 divided by 100 gives us 0.10. So that is our percentage as a decimal, 0.10. To figure out how much she's saving is just the amount of discount. So you don't add one, you don't subtract one. All you do is you multiply that number by the original cost of $20. So 0.10 times 20 is equal to 2. So she saves $2. The next part says, what is Jackie's cost for the gym that month? So how much is she actually paying? Well, think about it. She starts with $20 and she's saving 2. So 20 minus 2 gets us 18. So she's paying $18 that month. Number 2, this one's a little tricky, so pay close attention. Mrs. Bowen wants to buy a new flat screen television for the living room. Walmart has a 55-inch ultra slim HD TV flat screen that is normally $1,099.99, but it is on sale for 42% off. The sales tax on the TV will be 6.5%. How much will the final price of the TV be? So this is a two-step question, or maybe even more than that. So we're going to apply the discount first. So on sale means it's a discount. So that 42%, we divide by 100 to get that as a decimal. So 42 divided by 100 is 0.42. From there, just like we did in the beginning, we're multiplying that 0.42 times the original cost of the TV. So 1099.99. So let me get that number because I don't know that off the top of my head. 0.42 times 1099.99. So you get 461. It's a little more than that. So let me round that to 462. So $462, that is how much she's saving, but we have to figure out how much she would pay. So like in number 1, we're going to subtract that. So 1099.99 minus 462 will give us 1099.99 minus 462 gives us $637.99. Okay, so that's just with the discounts. That's part of our answer, but we have to apply the sales tax. Oops, hold on one second. Okay, so we have to apply the sales tax. So it's a similar process. First, take that percentage, 6.5%, divided by 100, you get 0.065. From there, we're going to multiply it just like we did, 0.065 times, but instead of actually multiplying it by the original, we have to multiply it by what we got here. So 637.99. So let me get that number. So $41.47 it looks like. Because this is sales tax, we have to add this on to the amount we just had. So $637.99 plus 41.47. 637.99 plus. We get a final answer, of $679.46. So that is our answer, $679.46. 46. So it's a little confusing because you have to do a lot of adding, subtracting, multiplying. But as long as you follow these steps, it's pretty simple because you're always multiplying the percentage by the number. But then you have to decide, are you going to subtract or add? Tax and tip are adding, discount and subtract. All right, let me change the color. And number 3, Mrs. Acton spent $205.60 at Target. If the sales tax is 6%, how much sales tax does she owe? Okay, so similar to number 1A. So we're figuring out 6% as a decimal. So divide that, you get 0.06, then take 0.06, multiply it by 205.60, and you get 0.06 times 205.60, and you get $12.34 Okay, so that's how much she owes in sales tax. What is her final bill? Like in number 1, we subtracted the $2 from the original 20 because it was discount, but since this is sales tax, we actually have to add it. So take that original amount, 205.60, plus the tax amount, $12.34, and we get $217.94. All right, and number 4, what is 46% of 39? This is an is over of question, but I'm actually going to show you an easier way to do it. Basically what we've been doing, taking that percentage, 46 divided by 100, make it into 0.46, and then multiply it by 39. So 0.46 times 39 is equal to 17.94. Oh, not money. So just 17.94. All right, hopefully this helps. I'm going to come up with a couple more questions just so you can practice on your own and get credit for the assignment. All right.